What do you do, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the crypto channel 329. Today's video is going to be about the Bitcoin spot ETF. Okay, so BlackRock expects approval on this date. All right, so it's just around the corner next week. So let's go over this file right here and let's see what's up. All right, so Bitcoin expecting approval for its proposed Bitcoin spot ETF on the 10th of January, which is the next Wednesday. Okay, so this is crazy, right? Because this is gonna be an historic moment for cryptocurrencies as the SEC was to pronounce a decision on the spot Bitcoin ETF exchange, right? Applications. All right. So this is really, really good. And the chances of rejection of the spot ETFs dropped from 10% to 5% per analyst. Okay. And if you're not familiar with BlackRock, so BlackRock, it's a company with more than $9 trillion in assets under management. Has been widely seen as the best indication of growing institutional interest in Bitcoin cryptos in general. All right, so Bitcoin, it's a huge company, as you can see right here, $9 trillion. That's a lot of money, right? So if this guy gets approved, all the other ones that submit their ETFs applications will also be approved or most likely be approved. All right. So ever since BlackRock applied for a Bitcoin ETF, we could see a rising of 25% Bitcoin price in the following week that the BlackRock submit the ETF application. Okay, so that's a bullish sign. So a lot of people are bullish on BlackRock's. So that's why a lot of people decided to go with Bitcoin, and therefore Bitcoin rose 25% in the following week. Okay, so now the countdown begins. Okay, as of this writing, most formalities linked to ETF applications have been submitted or completed. Okay, after this, the SEC is expected to officially start clearing the ETFs. Meanwhile, the chances of rejecting for the ETFs dropped from 10% to 5%, according to Bloomberg ATF analyst. Okay, so as you can see right here, the chances of this thing getting rejected are very unlikely, and the probable reasons for rejection, including President Biden's intervention and SEC coming up with new reasons, were deemed unlikely. So it is very unlikely for this ETF to be refused, and if it does get refused, Bitcoin price will drop a lot, okay? Because a lot of people are bullish. A lot of people are bullish about this coin, and we can see a number of long positions taken from the world's largest digital coin increased, okay? So that means a lot of people are going long because we all are waiting for this big news, okay? This is going to be big. This is going to be big for Bitcoin and also altcoins. And if it gets rejected, then all those long positions will be liquidated. Okay, so once those long positions get liquidated, what happens to the price? It just dumps. Okay, so that's just how it goes. But in the other hand, if it gets approved and it pumps, all the short positions will be liquidated. And guess what's going to happen to the price? It's going to skyrocket. Okay, so it's going to be interesting to see what's going to happen next Wednesday. Okay, me personally, I haven't placed uh, any positions on Bitcoin. I just did my DCA a few months back, probably a year ago or so, and I'm happy with that. So now I'm just letting it roll and see when Bitcoins reach a certain price, I will take my profits, and that's that. And yeah, that's it, guys. I just wanted to give you a quick update about Bitcoin spot ETFs. So it might come next Wednesday. And next Wednesday, mark this day, it might be a very interesting date for the crypto space. Okay. So if we go over to the cryptocurrencies right now, just a quick check. we can see that Bitcoin is trading at just under 44K, Ethereum just under 2.3K, and BNB surprisingly $307. All right, so it did really well from 230 to 300 and something, really fast. So I was really impressed with Bitcoin. Okay, so yes, guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.